In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the internal battery in your GMC Yukon key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very easy to do. Anyone can do it, and the whole process will take under 5 minutes from start to finish. The only things you'll need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver and one battery, in this case a CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, you can go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these particular batteries for just a few dollars. Now the first step here is just to find the button on the side of your device. Just hold that down, and while holding, pull on the key ring to remove the internal key. Now if we look in where the key was, you can see I'm looking on the back side. On the left there is the key ring, and now up here we have these two indentations, and then right below that there is one larger one. You can see I'm putting my flathead in there right now. It's right in the middle. You're just going to insert your flathead into that area and holding the device on the sides, not like this. Don't squeeze that way, because this is actually the piece that we will be removing. So go in there, hold on the sides, and just twist your flathead, and the back will start to come off, and from here you can just pull it apart with your fingers. There we go. Now we have access to the battery, and we can just use the same flathead screwdriver to get under the battery and gently lift it up. Just using the corner of your flathead, just pry the battery up, and it'll come right out for you. And you can now dispose of your old battery. Take your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. So you'll just snap it into place, positive side down, and all we need to do now is reattach these two halves. So just drop the back on top of there, squeeze it all back together, and you can just put your key back inside and you are finished. I hope that video was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments section, or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials just like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.